I think now you are able to uh, hear me properly, right? Okay, good. So yeah, so you can join us on the Telegram, right? So where you can find the updates regarding the SAT, ACT prep, and you can get the updates related to the if there is no if there is I mean new batch is going to start, or if there is something update from the Unacademy that those uh, take the SAT exams, right? So you'll get the updates there. So Unacademy subscription features we do have there. So these are the you can learn live from the comfort of your home, and you'll get the unlimited access of all the courses. You'll have the top educator of India on one platform. You'll get the regular doubt clearing and the answer writing sessions, right? And you'll have the mentorship and the guidance. You have the study material and practice tests, live test series, and all that stuff, right? So let's start with the test, right? So first of all, what is given to us? It is estimated that the human beings REM sleep 90 minutes after falling asleep. Based on this estimate, how many seconds after falling asleep do? Uh, okay. So what can we do there? We need to convert this 90 minute into the what? You know, second. So 90. Okay. Let me just get. Okay, so what will be that? So 90 minute, when you convert 90 minute into the second, so what will be that? 90 multiplied by 60, that is 5400, right? So B is the answer there. The function g is defined by gx is equal to 4x minus 2. What is the value of g? Negative 3. So what that will be, g of negative 3 is equal to 4 times negative 3 minus 2. That is going to be negative 12 minus 2, and that is going to be negative 14. Do we have this? Yes, that's D. Guys, you can keep doing the messages. If there is any doubt, I'll take your doubt there. Okay. Okay. Question number 3. Okay, question number 3. What is given to us? We have given x. A to B is x, B to C is 20, right? The length of the line segment BC is twice of the line segment AB. Okay. So what you can represent this situation? Okay. So what is given to us? The line segment BC is twice the length of the segment AB. So that means 20 is equal to 2 times of x, right? Yeah, that is D, right? Two people sweep the floor. The table gives their sweeping rate in squared yard per minute, right? And then each person sweeps the floor for 5 minutes. How much greater of an area the square yard does Eric sweep than uh, journey, right? So it's like rate per minute. So this will be what? Multiply by 5 is 60. Multiply by 5 will be what? 80. Right. So how much? What is it saying? How much area of the Eric more than? Yeah. So this is 20, right? Which of the following is exponential? Okay. So it's just like multiplying. So 3x to the power 6, 9x to the power 5 minus 8x to the power 4. Do we have this? Yes. B is the answer. The function f is defined by fx. The function is defined by 2x minus 1. What is the y-intercept? Okay, y-intercept is what? Negative 4, because y is equal to mx plus c or mx plus b is the y-intercept form. I mean the slope intercept form. So c is the what? Slope y-intercept there. So in this case the y-intercept is what? Negative 4. So that is 0 and negative 4 is the right. The table summarizes the number of public school in two California counties in 2017. So this is given to us school and county. The elementary 1390 San Diego we have given, right, and 1893 we have given all these data, right. A public medal will be selected at the end of the two country. What is the probability that the nearest 100 the selecting a school in San Diego County? Okay, selecting a school. Okay, total number of students total number of schools are 1 2. So this is just like you know okay, public middle school will be selected at random from the two counties. Okay, that means we need the middle school, and what is on the school, the middle school will be from the San Diego. So that is 162 165 divided by what will be that 587, right guys? So what will be that approximately? 0.28. Okay guys, what is next? So question number 8, a museum built a scale model of the solar system throughout its cities when the 1 mile so the is represented by this. The model of sun is x miles from this, so which represent, okay, so you can do 1 miles is equal to 400,000,000. So x miles will be what? Yeah, so 400,000,000 multiplied by x. That's it. That means A. Question number 9. The list shown gives the height in inches for the 6, 10 year. Guys, you can ask me if you have any doubt. You can ask me anytime. Okay, the what is given to us? Which of the following correctly describe how the mean and the median of the will change when the 7th? Okay, so we added the 7th 60, right? So first of all, you can find the mean 52, 53, 54, 54. But I think we can check if this the mean, definitely mean is going to be increased, right? What about the median? Because this is what 7th student. So 7th student is 60. Here the median is 54. So in this case, the median will also be 54. Median will remain same. So mean will increase. So C is the answer, right? Right guys, is there any doubt? Okay, question number 10. This the graph is given to us. This is scatter plot, and then in a certain school district, 36 high school students were selected at random for a study on the internet use and the offline reading habits. During October, each student reported the average amount of time to nearest half hour spent reading offline on Saturday, and the average amount of time to the nearest half hour spent using the internet on the Saturday. The scatter plot above shows the time recorded by the student. A line of the best fit is shown. The line of the best fit, this is the line of the best fit, right? This is given to us, right? Underestimate one student reported average time spent using the internet on Saturday by more than 2 hours. For how many hours did this student reporting reading offline? Okay, okay, so what is it saying? Line of underestimate, one student reported underestimate. That means it was 2 unit up, right? It should be 2 unit up. So in this case, no, there was no 2 unit here and there. Yeah, in this case it was approximately, right? In this case, no. In this case, it can be, that is 3.5, right, guys? So if you check this, so what will be that? Yeah, for this as well, because this is 2.5 and this is more than 2 hours, right? So for this, actually, when you see the this one 1.5, for the 1.5, this is what? Yeah, more than that, 2 hours. Question number 11. According to the line of the best fit, if the student spent the average of 1.25 hours reading offline, on the which of the following is the best estimate of the which respect to spec using on the Saturday? So what will let 1.25? 1.25 is here, right? Yeah, so it should be between 2.5 and 3. Line K is defined by is parallel to the line K. Line J is parallel to this. What is, so definitely if you have the two parallel lines, so thus their slopes should be equal. So in this case, what is the slope of the line K? Line K slope is -1. So what is the slope of the line J? So line J slope is also -1. For a survey, student were assigned of each group R or group V. Combine the student in the both group answered a total of 17 questions. Of these, a total of 9 questions were answered by the student in the group V, right? Where R represent the number, the equation where this okay, the number is okay. So this is 4R plus 9 is equal to 17. One of these, number 9, were answered by the student in the group V. The equation 4R, and this is group R. This is related to the group R for sure. So what will be that? Guys, anyone want to give the answer for this? So this is like R is the the group, and the 4 times R is the like total number of the students in the group, right? Total number of the questions answered by the students in the group. So C is the answer. Now this is question number what, 14 there. How many solutions? Okay, so when you see this question directly, you can there's nothing to do there actually. So this is 5x plus 5 is equal to 5x plus 5. So both sides are same. So any value of x will satisfy this. So there are infinitely many solutions. Which of the following? Okay, so look, sometimes we don't need to read that much of the every question, everything, every table. You just need to check which equation could represent the linear relationship there. So definitely if you plug in the age is, that is A, so it should give you the value of the correct value of D. So you can just plug in ID. Suppose if you plug in 42 as the A, so it should give you 8. So -2 times 48 plus 92, this is going to be what? -96 plus 92. No, that is not 8. What about this -half times 42? I think that will be very large amount. Is it? Let me check quickly once. Yeah, it will be very large amount. And then 2A times this will be what? What is D? D is the average money, right? Why it's not satisfying any of these? So if I plug in age as 42 there, it should be 8, right? Oh, my bad, 42. So 42 times that is -84 plus 92. So it gives you the only only A gives you the answer. Question number 16. What do you need to find? The value of x plus 1. Look here, this is x plus 1. So you can just say, okay, the x plus 1 is A. So 4A is equal to 6 plus 2A. That is 2A is equal to 6. So A is equal to 3. that is x plus 1. Or you can just open this and find the value of x first and then find the value of x plus 1. So that is also a way. So like 4x plus 4 is equal to 6 plus 2x plus 2, and then this is going to be what, 4x, that is going to be 2x is equal to 8, that is 4. So x is going to be 2, and if x is 2, then it will be what, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, question number 17. The initial number of bacteria in the population is 10,000. The bacteria in the population are observed to double every 12 hours. Okay, which graph there? Okay, so it's double every, so it's like 0 to 24, it should be what, 4 times. And it was 10,000 initially. So let's say 10, 20, 30, 40, 40. So it's going to be 4, yes. No, B is not the answer. B is 10. No, this is not the answer. This is, so A is the answer, right? You can just plug in some points there, because it's starting from 10 and then 0 to 4, because every 12 hours is going to be double. So that means for 24 hours it's going to be 4 times, right? So in 24 hours it should be like 40, right? Okay, so in which of the following the range has the 7. So look at the difference between here and here. So in this case this is 2, this is 7, no, range is 5 only, I think. In this case this is 3, this is, so range is 10. In this case this is 1, this is 14, this is a lot of, and then this is 3, this is 9, so range is 6 in the case of D. A forest contains different species of tree. Let T represent the total number of trees in the forest, and H represent the number of what is this, hickory trees, and the let K represent the oak trees, and the trees selected at the random from the forest, which expression represent the forest, that is neither or. Okay, how many type of trees are there? Let T is the total, and H is the this, and K is the this. So those are not, so T minus H minus K and divided by the total number of trees. So it should be B, right? The B should be the probability. Right, guys? Please let me know if there is any doubt, guys. Anyone? Okay. So now this is question number 20. In XY plane shown, the quadrants are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. The graph of y is equal to negative x, where the h and k are the positive constant, is a parabola. Which quadrant is the vertex of the parabola? Okay. So definitely the graph is downward for sure. And when you compare with the x minus h square plus k, so this is going to be negative h and then k. So negative h is, that means the x is negative and y is positive, right? So I think that is should be in the second quadrant, right? What do you say, guys? It should be for second quadrant, right? Yeah, so B is the answer. Please ask the question if you have any there. You can just chat with me in any other question. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, question number 21. At the beginning of the day, there was 500 items in the sale in the store. The number of items sales at the end was R% less than number of beginning of the day. Okay, so what is R% less? So R% less is like 100 minus R divided by 100. Okay, isn't A and B same? Right? Let me check quickly. Yeah, it's same. Okay, and which ways A will be the answer, because we find the rate of the the decreasing the sale, so that is 100 minus R divided by 100, and the initial was 500, so multiply by 500, right? The area in the certain right angle triangle is given by A, which B is the length in the one of the leg of the triangle, which is the shortest leg of the, which one represent the shortest leg. So yeah, so 2B is the the one of the long, and then we have the B, and then definitely the shortest will be B only, isn't? Yeah. Is there any doubt, guys? Please ask me if you have. Okay. Question number 23. Scientists took 94 ice core section from a glacier. Each section was in the shape of the right circular cylinder and has the length of 1 meter and the diameter of which of the following is the closest to the total volume of the. Okay, so you find the volume of the one. So what is the volume? So like these formulas has given already in the first page of the test. So that is will be the what? Pi r square and h. Radius 0.1 meter, so the diameter, so radius will be what, 0.05 square, and the height is 1, so pi into that is going to be what, 0.0025, is it, multiply by 1, and then this is what, 3.140025, and then multiply by what, 94. What is going to be that? So 94 is approximately 100. You can think like that if you don't want to do using the calculator. If you multiply by 100 here, so what do you get? 0.25, and 0.25 multiply by, so it should be D, approximately like D, right? Okay guys, is there any doubt? Please ask me. Please ask me if there is any doubt, guys. So to question number 24, in the figure shown, GE and DH intersect at the point F, which of the following additional statement are sufficient to prove that is similar to this? Okay, the length of DE is equal to 1/3 of HG, and D is parallel to HG. Okay, so if this is parallel, that means this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. Yeah, so I think only second is sufficient, right? Yeah, first one is not sufficient. We can't say like there is, because if the two side proportion is same, then we can say okay, that will be the thing. But here just one side proportion is given to us, right? So only second is sufficient. The scatter plot shows the relationship between the two variable x and y. A line of the best fit of the data is also shown. Which data point has the actual y value that is 2 more than the y value predicted by the line of the best fit for the x value. Yeah, so when you see this, here though there is no error. So in this case 16 to this is 4. In this case this is 2. Yeah, so that is the case of the 5. So 5 and 30. So there was the the difference of the 2 there. Okay, plant height is 1.3 times from the last week. What is the percentage increase? Okay, so like h and this side is 1.5 h, so 1.5 h minus h divided by original into 100, right guys? So this is going to be 0.25 h over h into 100. So this is going to be 0.25 multiplied by 100. This is going to be 25%, and that is D. Hope you understood. So I just check. Okay, last week the height was h, so this week height is 1.25 h. So how much has been increased? This much has increased, divided by original into 100. So in a forest, white pine trees between 15 and 45 old grew 36 to 48 inches in height each year. A 15-year-old white pine tree growing in the forest was 250 inches tall. Which of the following inequality gives the possible of the tree height at the end of the 45 year? What do we need to find there? What will be the height, and what is given to us? It increases 46 to 36 to 48, right? Yeah, so for the 45 year, just multiply by 36 into 45 and 48 into 45. So the height should be in between of that, right? So I think that will be in the case of D. Okay, p percent of x is 3. Okay, p percent of x, that means p multiplied by x divided by 100 is equal to 3, which represent x. Okay, so 300 divided by p. Yeah, that means C, right? Any question, guys? You can ask me. Okay, so what is next here? 29, and this is which of the following equivalent form of the given function displays as the base of the coefficient y, the y-intercept. Okay, what is it saying? Which of the following equivalent form of the given function displays the base of the coefficient of the y coordinate of the y-intercept? So what will be the y-intercept? So y-intercept is going to be when x is equal to 0, right? No, this is given to us actually, so we need to change it into the that form only. So this is going to be 3 1 over, so this is like 1 over negative 2x multiplied by 3 to the power negative 2. So this is going to be 1 over 3 to the power 2 multiply 1 over 3 to the power 2x, that is 1 by 9 multiply 1 over 3 to the power 2x. Yeah, that is B. So, okay, question number 30. Two different store owner in a shopping center estimated the percent of the all visitors who wear eyeglasses. They selected a random sample of the shopping center visitor and recorded whether the visitor are wearing eyeglasses. The result from each sample are shown in the table below. The percent of the visitor wearing eyeglasses, this is given to us, and the margin of error is also given to us. The estimated margin of error calculated the same as the both sample, which of the following is most likely. The result from the sample has a gray margin of error. If margin of error is more, then yeah, maybe there are the lesser number of visitor there, so that he couldn't find the so much of margin of error there. He was not sure if he was correct or not, because the lesser number of visitor there. So definitely the sample B including more visitor than the sample A. That's why this is yes. Okay, a limestone has grew in the length of the rate of 1 by 8 of a millimeter. At this rate, how many years does it have? The 4? So 4 divided by 1 by 8, right? So that is equal to 32. Is it? What is the value of the 2x? So okay, you can just add. So 2x is equal to 14. So this is like 3 under root x minus 3, that is equal to 12. So is equal to 4. So x minus 3 is equal to 16. Is it? Yeah, that's what we need to find, x minus 3 only. Okay, third question number 34. The average speed number of laps is given. This is given. This is okay. The table gives the average speed in miles per hour to each lap around the track of one. Basically, how many laps were the average greater than or equal to 150? Okay. So how many laps were there? Greater than what? 150. So 57, 52, and 35. So that is going to be, you added all three, no? That's it. So 4, and then this is going to be 5, 144. So long jump, we have Aditi and Bella each attempted for the long jump 5 times during a track meet. Their distances are shown in the table. The mean distance for Bella attempt was 0.5 meter greater than the mean. Is what is the value of x? Okay, so you can find the mean for each of those, right? So if you find the mean, so that means you need to add all of those. So that will be 4.2 plus 3.8 plus 3.2 plus 4.0 plus 4.3 divided by 5. If you want to do, you can do, but that doesn't make sense because both sides are going to be same. Okay, yeah, but you need to do. So this is x plus 4.4 plus 3.7, 3.8 and 4.6 divided by 5. The mean distance of this is what, Aditi, and this was Bella's, right? So Aditi is more than the distance of, okay, so that means this was 0.3 more, right? Okay, you need to solve it. So this is going to be what, 0 0 7 1 7 8 8 and 3 is 11, 11 and 4 15, 15, this is 19.7 divided by 5 is equal to, this is what, 4 and 11, 11 and 8 is 19, 19 and 25, 0.2, 6, 6 and 3 is 9, 9 and 3 is 12, 12 and 4 is 16, right? And divide by 5. So you will multiply by 5 everywhere. So this is 1.5 plus 98.6 is equal to x plus 16.5, right? Is it? Yeah, so if you calculate, what are we getting? Three two five 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 one one five nine nine and 19 point. Oh, I got 19.7. This one I'm getting 22 is equal to x plus 16.5. I think I'm getting 17 from here, and then I'll get 4.5, something like that. Yeah, that would be the answer. Okay, next is what is the x coordinate of the x intercept of the line 5 by 4? What you need to find? X intercept, x coordinate of scale. So for the x intercept, definitely you plug in y is equal to 0. So if you plug in y is equal to 0 there, so you get 5 by 4, x is equal to 1, so x is equal to 4 by 5. Right. Okay, next one is, what is the parameter of an equilateral triangle? The height is, okay, so if you know the height of the equilateral triangle is what, root 3 by 2 times height side is equal to height, right? So what we have given there, we have given that is 5 root 2, 5 root 3, right? So that means a is going to be what, 5 times 2, that is 10, right? So side is 10, so what will be the parameter then? So parameter is 3 times 10 is equal to 30. So what does this has the one distinct real solution, so you can keep them equal. So minus 3 is equal to x square plus 10x plus a. So you can write down x square plus 10x plus a plus 3. This has the one distinct real solution, exactly one distinct real solution. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, right? So b is 10 square minus 4 times a is 1, and the c is a plus 3 is equal to 0. So 100 minus this will be what, 4a minus 12 is equal to 0, right? So this is going to be 88 is equal to 4a, so 8 is going to be 22, right guys? Hope there is no doubt. Okay guys, so this was all the questions. There were 38 questions only, right? Okay, so Unacademy gives you the the free special classes, and for those free special classes you have the live real time interaction using the chat and emojis, right? And you can ask the question using the question tab. You can live option poll for the quizzes, poll leaderboard, compete with your friends anytime when you are giving the answer, so you can check how many answer your friend is doing the correct, and what is your rank on the leaderboard there, right? So there's bugs monk as well. So if you have the any inappropriate content in the video, so you have the opportunity to report any of that type of the content there. So be the first one of the report the particular issue to claim your prize. Report any inappropriate content using the form of the description, right? So guys, thank you very much. You just subscribe us, you and like and share as much as possible. Tomorrow, don't forget, we are going to conduct a live session on the how you can make your profile strong to get admit in one of your dream colleges. So yeah, so please join that on the time tomorrow. Bye guys, take care, bye bye.